Forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized the command post of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Armed Forces. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, ground assault and army aviation, as well as the artillery of the Western Military District, have neutralized the concentrations of manpower of the units from the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, near Dvurechная, Granikovka of Kharkov region, Novosolovskoye, and northern outskirts of Stelmakhovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Over 50 Ukrainian personnel, 1 motor vehicle and 1 pickup have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, the strikes launched by operational, tactical and army aviation, as well as the artillery of the Central Military District and the airborne troops, have resulted in the neutralization of the units from the 92nd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Stelmakhovka, the 95th and 80th Airborne Assault Brigades, and the 125th Territorial Defense Brigade near Chervonaya Dibrova of Lugansk People's Republic, Serebryanskoye Forestry and the Yampolovka of Donetsk People's Republic. Over 80 Ukrainian personnel, 1 infantry fighting vehicle, 5 armored fighting vehicles and 1 pickup have been eliminated. 2 US-manufactured counter-battery warfare raiders have been destroyed near Vishnovoye of Donetsk People's Republic and Nevskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. In the Donetsk direction, units of the Southern Military District and volunteers from the assault detachments continued their successful offensive operation and neutralized the Ukrainian Armed Forces units near Rozdolovka, Blagodatnoye, Krasnopolye and Severnoye of Donetsk People's Republic. 1 Ukrainian ordnance depot has been destroyed near Antonovka of Donetsk People's Republic. Over 80 Ukrainian personnel, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles and 1 D-30 howitzer have been eliminated. In the Zaporozhye direction, offensive operations conducted by the units of the Eastern Military District have resulted in taking more advantageous lines and positions. Up to 85 Ukrainian personnel, 1 infantry fighting vehicle, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 1 pickup, 2 D-20 howitzers have been eliminated near Stepnogorsk of Zaporozhye region and Prychistovka of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 1 D-30 howitzer near Preobrazhenka of Zaporozhye region. 1 Ukrainian ordnance depot has been destroyed near Malinovka in Zaporozhye region. In the Kherson direction, 1 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery warfare raider has been destroyed near Sadovoye of Kherson region. Operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized the command post of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Lezhino of Zaporozhye region, as well as 74 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 119 areas. Russian air defense facilities have shot down 1 Su-25 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Antonovka of Donetsk People's Republic. 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Zmiyivka, Vladimirovka, Krasnorechonskoye, Yagodnye of Lugansk People's Republic, Urozhainoye, Novomayorskoye of Donetsk People's Republic, Priyutnoye of Zaporozhye region, and Ochakovskoye of Kherson region. 2 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems have been shot down near Rabotino and Molochansk in Zaporozhye region. 1 US-manufactured HARM anti-radiation missile has been intercepted near Stepnogorsk in Zaporozhye region. In total, 376 airplanes and 203 helicopters, 2,931 unmanned aerial vehicles, 401 air defense missile systems, 7,601 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 985 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,887 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,144 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.